Why choose EIT Computer Institute Faisalabad? I will give you 5 reasons. The first one, experienced faculty. We established in 2010, EIT Computer Institute has been providing high quality education in courses like English language, office management, search engine optimization, digital marketing, computer programming, graphic designing, web development, shorthand, and much more. Our experienced faculty not only teach English but also guide students on life skills and career development. The second thing, trusted by students. We are one of the highest rated institute in Faisalabad on Google reviews and Facebook reviews. It is a vote of confidence for us by our students, and we are very proud of it. The third one, certification and recognition. Our certificates are widely recognized, helping students secure jobs and opportunities worldwide. The fourth one, flexible learning option. We offer both online and physical classes, which allows you to manage your time efficiently. Recorded lectures are also available, making it ideal for job holders and students with busy schedules. The fifth one, practical skill development, which is very important for students. Our focus is on practical learning. After each lecture, students are given assignments to improve their understanding and applying what they have learned in lectures. So feel free to contact us whenever you want. We are very happy to assist you. Best of luck.